In this video, let's look at how to pin WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp groups. You see, pinning messages on WhatsApp allows you to keep important messages easily accessible at the top of your WhatsApp chat. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe, like this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section. So you launch your WhatsApp. Now we are going to choose any contact and then pin it. Maybe you have an important person that you don't always want to miss their messages. You can just pin, or a WhatsApp group that you don't always want to miss messages. So all you need to do is to long press on that group or that contact. Just long press. This is for Android users. So just long press. When you long press, this is the pin symbol or the pin icon. So click on it. When you click on it, that contact or that WhatsApp group is going to be pinned. So let me pin another. Let me pin a group. So you see this group. You see where it is now. When I pin it, it will be at the top of the chat. So you long press it and then you click on the pin. So you have it here, pin. When you pin it, it will be on top. So any messages that comes into your WhatsApp, that pin messages are always going to be on top for easily accessible. You get. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and then leave a comment. Let me know whether you are following the teaching. Let me know whether you are enjoying the teaching.